Hello, I'm in Milwaukee. It is night 15. I've been doing this for 2 weeks and I feel really calm. I did have 2 days of intense events and public and giving and today I walked around Milwaukee and checked out the Calatrava Cafe out in Lake Michigan. Gorgeous, and I took a yoga class. Wanted to see what was going on out here. What are people teaching out here in Milwaukee? It was cool. Yoga teacher. The like side effect of being a yoga teacher. The critical kind of being critical of other yoga teachers and like how I would teach that, or oh, I wouldn't say that, or I would say it this way. It's always interesting, right? Because then it's like, well, look at myself. It was nice to have a practice in a communal setting. Yeah. This is the Cloud Brick, which is how Milwaukee got its name. The Cloud City, for this beautiful light-colored brick. I dig it. It's everywhere here. I really like it. Yeah, I got a parking spot from an app. Cool. Oh, there's a Houdini exhibit and I'm gonna go tomorrow. Yeah, so I took a day off from busking. I might busk tomorrow at the Milwaukee Public Market, or Wednesday, because I'm teaching a private tomorrow. Yeah, I could do both, but I want to go see this Houdini exhibit. He's from Wisconsin. He was from Wisconsin. And I loved learning about him when I was younger. So, reinvigorate it. Okay, what do you like? What do you want to hear more of? I know there's a bunch of you watching. I can see the views. So, comment. Tell me what you want to hear, what you want to see. Hit subscribe. I have ideas of new things coming, like my city reviews and some classes that I want to teach, specific things, you know. I also have the 5-minute stretching classes, so check those out. That's another playlist, learning all these YouTube things. So check out all my playlists. I love you. Chat soon.